Now that you've learned the content writing and copywriting skill set, it's time to reach out to clients because now you want to put all of your knowledge to practical use. And जब आप real life experience लेंगे and you work on projects, that is how you will gain exposure into different industries when it comes to content writing, and you'll be able to build your portfolio and increase your experience so that you can eventually become an expert level content writer. So, the best places to find content writing or copywriting jobs are Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Upwork and Fiverr are both freelancing marketplaces. I personally would recommend Upwork because it's much easier to find clients and build your profile right away. Fiverr is also a good place to start content writing, but it will take you some time to actually rank your profile, and isme you actually offer individual gigs. So for example, you can offer the service of writing one article or a certain number of social media posts, whereas on Upwork you can directly see कि किस तरह की job posts लग रही हैं and you can apply to those job posts right away. So you'll know what you're applying to, you'll know what the client is demanding, and according to that you can create your sales pitch. LinkedIn and Facebook are also very good places to find potential content writing work because in dono platforms pe, even though they're not freelancing platforms, but you can still find job openings that are related to content writing, and it's all about how you search for it. And I would recommend ke on both LinkedIn and Facebook, if you truly want to use these platforms as a channel to find good content writing work, then create your professional looking profiles, have professional profile pictures, and एक बहुत professional clear cut personal description लिखें for both LinkedIn and Facebook. And if you have any relevant experience related to content writing or copywriting, then add that there so that when you do reach out to potential companies that you want to work for, they can open up your profile and have a good insight into the kind of candidate that you are. So for any of these platforms, your first step should be to sign up and make your account, and then you should make a professional profile. So mention all relevant experience, be clear about what you want to offer, especially if you're making a profile for Upwork, and tell potential clients why the services that you're offering are important and how they can help them. Even in your profile, you can use the skill of persuasive writing because you want to highlight your best strengths and at the same time tell your clients how they can benefit from the services that you are offering. So this is a very good sample of a copywriting profile. This is for Upwork. आपकी प्रोफाइल की एक हेडिंग होगी, इन दिस केस इज प्रोफेशनल कॉपीराइटर. उसके साथ जो भी आपका आर्ली रेट होगा वो मैंशनड होगा. You will set that when you're making your profile, and I would suggest that if you're a beginner writer, then put this at $12 to $15 an hour. Don't put it higher than that because in the beginning, if you're making a new profile from scratch, तो आपका कोई experience नहीं होगा. So clients might not be able to justify a higher hourly rate. So $10 to $12 per hour is a good rate to start with. Then within the profile, at the top, we've highlighted the biggest strength, which is that this writer is published on certain platforms. Then a bit more about the writer, more about their proficiency in English, their experience, the number of years of experience that they've had in the field, then other skills like SEO content writing. And if you read this closely, तो इसमें बहुत clearly वो benefit भी highlight किया गया है जो इस writer की SEO skill से client को मिलेगा, which is I have mastered the art of writing stellar scannable SEO content that not only provides immense value to readers but also helps my clients' websites rank on the first page of Google. So through this, we are letting the clients visualize what they will get after they hire this writer. Then in the following paragraph, there's more about past projects that the writer has worked on, the number of clients that they've dealt with, and how their services help those clients in the past. And then we've also added a list form over here, which is again a very good thing to add in your profile because it makes it more readable and quickly digestible, and it also highlights your best and strongest skills. So यहाँ पे हमने एक लिस्ट डाल दी है, बुलेट पॉइंट्स डाले हुए हैं of all of the skills that this writer specializes in. So there's content creation and curation, content marketing, SEO, editing, proofreading, blogging, social media, digital marketing, and Microsoft Office. And then finally, to add some sort of social proof, we've also mentioned a few names of clients that this writer has worked with. So this is a very complete, clear-cut and professional content writing profile. After you're done with the profile, start finding gigs using the search bar on each platform, जिसमें आप सर्च फिल्टर्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओन रिक्वायरमेंट्स. सो वेदर यूर लुकिंग फॉर जॉब्स ऑन अपवर्क और फाइवर और लिंक्डइन और फेसबुक, there is always going to be a search bar on these platforms जहाँ पे all you need to do is write down the keywords like content writing or copywriting and then search for it ताकि वो आपको वो सारी job posts दिखाए जो open है for content writing. And these would be jobs that you can potentially apply to. So let's do this on Upwork. Let's find a potential job opportunity. So यहाँ पे under the find work tab, you will see this page open in front of you and it will open up your feed जहाँ पे it will show you all of the potential writing gigs that you could apply to. These are all job posts done by clients who are looking for content writing work. Now something to note here is that you should aim to only apply to those posts that are payment verified. But अगर कोई ऐसी पोस्ट है जो आपको लगता है कि बहुत अच्छी है and it shows you payment unverified like this one, so you can still apply to it, but be sure that before providing any work to the client, you tell them that this is a concern of yours that their profile is unverified. So as soon as they can verify their profile, you can start working for them. But now if you want to search for specific jobs, so for example, I want to look for a copywriting job. So I'll go here in the search bar and I will write copywriting. So it's showing me all of the relevant job posts related to copywriting. जिस जॉब पोस्ट में कॉपी राइटिंग की बात हो रही है, कॉपी राइटिंग मैंशन किया गया है, वो सारी यहाँ पे खुल जाएंगी. आई कैन यूज़ अनदर कीवर्ड which is copywriter. It will show me some more posts. And I can also do an advanced search in which I can decide कि मैं कौन से particular words ढूंढ रही हूँ in the job posts. So it will show up all of the job posts with those words. So I want that the job post should contain the word content and it can contain any of the words of content writer or content writing. Then the exact phrase that I'm looking for, ये important नहीं है. You don't need to add this. Skill search में we can write, let's say copywriting or SEO, or if there's a content related content creation, content writing, and then I will search for this. So it's giving me 32 jobs relevant to my advanced search, which are all of these. And यहाँ पे you can further filter it by deciding कि आपको किस level की job चाहिए. So for example, I'm looking for an entry level job or I'm looking for an hourly or a fixed price job. This is up to you कि आपने hourly rate वाली job करनी है या fixed price वाली. I would recommend कि in the beginning you take anything that you can find. So I'll select both over here. The number of proposals. Now how many proposals there are on that job will define your competition. So the more proposals that there are already on that job, उसका मतलब ये है कि उस पर ज़्यादा applicants ने apply किया हुआ है, so that's more competition for you. So I would suggest कि less than 5 proposals वाली jobs mostly देखा करें. But this is not giving me any results, so maybe I can remove this requirement. And then we can also decide the kind of clients that we want to work with. Payment verified वाले clients चाहिए या clients that have a hiring history, or the client location, the budget, the project length, hours per week. You can select all of these things. Even if you don't, it will still give you a lot of options of job posts that you can apply to. Similarly, let's try finding a job on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, maybe there's a search bar right here. So I can search for content writing. And when I search for all of the results, at the top it will show me job results for content writing. So these are all of the companies that are hiring. You can see when they posted the ad 5 days ago इस कंपनी ने कंटेंट राइटर की एड पोस्ट की है, 1 day ago इस कंपनी ने सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर की एड पोस्ट की है. एंड इफ आई क्लिक ऑन सी ऑल ओवर हेयर तो I can see more available posts for content writing, and इसमें भी I can use certain filters. So maybe I only want to look at jobs that have been posted within the week, so I will select that. Experience level, maybe I can go for an entry level. You can also decide the job type, whether it's part-time or full-time, and you can also choose only remote jobs. काफ़ी कंपनीज लिंक्डइन पे रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी पोस्ट करती हैं, सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट दैट. And then you can also further filter this search. You can look at all of the filters that it's giving to you. You can choose the location, you can choose the industry, the job title, etc. But यहाँ पे especially if you're looking for an international client, then make sure कि आपकी जो ये location वाला box है वहाँ पे पाकिस्तान नहीं होना चाहिए, remote location होनी चाहिए, because that is how you will find the exact jobs that are outside of your country and that are hiring remotely as well. So these are all of the jobs that are hiring remotely outside of Pakistan. इसी तरह से you can use Facebook to search for potential job opportunities, क्योंकि Facebook पे भी काफ़ी companies ने अपनी job posts की भी होती हैं. And the way that you reach out to those companies is that you can either send them a private message, or what looks more formal, you can send them an email. And even if there isn't a job post that you can directly apply to, but you find a company that you feel like could use content writing services, maybe it's a small company, maybe it's a startup that hasn't really done any digital marketing yet, unke social media pages khali hain, or they're lacking in good content, so you can create your proposal where you can pitch your content writing services that will benefit them, and you can send that as an email to that company.